Hello everybody. I hope everybody is fine and um, keep watching those interesting uh, travel, creating this journey. In fact, creating this special website about AI tools, and in fact, we're gonna make it a little bit more clever and take it to another level. You know, most people wants to have the AI tool, but to use their minds too. So I'm gonna just add another section that it's gonna be MI tool. That's all about mind in intelligence, and we're gonna explore there some extra stuff about the way we can use and expand the way we use our minds. Anyway, we're gonna see that even to other videos, and we're gonna explore those practices, in fact, and see how that could work um, with our minds. To this video, I'm gonna show you, because I have to create an archive page about showing all the blog posts, and here you see it's with Elementor. I have created the archive website, and we want to have a nice background over here. We can try to add a nice background with Playground, but on the other hand, even the one that we see here, it looks really interesting. Let me show you here to Playground. We can just search to the already created artificial intelligence pictures, and they're really very interesting. Let's hit high-tech background and see what would that come up. You see high-tech background, and we see yeah, that's really interesting. You see here there are some very interesting photos that came up. But on the other hand, we can use AI tech background. You see AI tech background, and to have even other interesting pictures that maybe some of you came up with them, and you just created to this amazing tool. Okay, we can select anything from here and use it. You see this one, it looks really interesting. Let's check this out. Nice colors and everything. I guess we can download it. Let's download it and put it to our projects. Let's have it here. That's nice here. I'm gonna, this one is a PNG file, and the PNG files usually are big, and they create a delay to our website, so it's better to convert them to either to JPG or just to convert it to the latest style that it's gonna make our website faster. So let's download this one, and we're gonna put it, I'm gonna just show in folder. I'm gonna open it very fast with the paint. Okay, gonna open it with the paint, and I'm gonna save it as a smaller format, let's say as a JPEG picture. Let's take this one to where the rest was. Okay, I'm over here and I'm gonna drop it over here. I'm gonna name it AI background archive. Okay, and we are done with that one. As you can see, the picture that it's JPG over here, it's just you see 288 kilobytes, and the other one that it's the PNG that we downloaded, it's 1.43 megabytes. As you can understand, that's gonna make a delay to our website. Let's try it out and see if it looks great over here, even though I really enjoy this this colorful and nice. You see, it's this one, the second color, and the color that it's using, it's really interesting over here. At the moment we can just change it and choose an image. I'm gonna choose this image and test it. Let's go and find this image. It's over here. Okay, and we're gonna test this one. Let's see how it looks. It looks really interesting too. We can position it to center over here, and we can say that it's a cover, not to spread all around the background, and I guess it looks really interesting. Okay, we don't even need to have a title here, but it's always good for our SEO to have it over there, and to have a background too. You see, over here I can make a background like that and put some color. I'm gonna make a normal background with a color here and do it like that. Okay, here I can make it, let's see, it's the color here. I can make it like that. It looks much better, and as it is like that, I can change the background overlay or play with the so let me show you here. Okay, I guess it looks really interesting. Let's try it out and see the result. We grab this one from here. Let's go to AI tools and check AI tools here. We're gonna see that we have the title of this category, and here is the description of the category. Okay, it looks really interesting. I guess it looks nice and interesting, but on the other hand, we can just leave the picture untouched in the on the top and add this description. We can have the description down here, but on the other hand, I guess it looks nice. It looks interesting. Let's go to graphic design and see this one too. Yeah, it looks interesting. It looks really interesting. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, now let's add another picture down to the bottom. Let's see one from those that we got here. Really, all of them, they look amazing. Okay, I don't want to to have something scary about the AI technology. I want you to enjoy that. Let's see. All of them are really very interesting. Let's try one of this one. This one, it looks really interesting. Looks like a logo, but it looks really interesting. I'm gonna keep this one again. I'm gonna download it. I'm gonna open this file here. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm gonna open it with the paint again, and I'm gonna save it to JPG here. Okay, I'm gonna have it over here. We close this one, we close everything, we go back here to the archive, and we change this one too. Let's change this one and put our photo, the JPG here. It's perfect. Okay, and we see it looks really interesting. I don't want to keep it longer, this video. It was just to show you how I used Elementor, and I created this archive section to the beloved and amazing AI tool Detective. Really, you're gonna find many interesting information to this blog spot, and I want you to subscribe and like my videos, share it with your friends, and I promise you that everything and all of this content that you're gonna explore and find here, it's gonna be really interesting to your journey, even if you're an affiliate marketer, even if you're an interpreter, even if you just want to expand your knowledge, and even if you just want to check about new AI tools and see what's going on to the technology at the moment. I'm gonna show you really many interesting stuff, and I'm gonna do it with a better voice. Okay, this at the moment you can hear that my voice is not in the best mood. I could use easily AI tools and show you that I can create many videos with AI tools and AI voices, something that we're gonna explore to one of our videos, but I just want to keep it simple and pure, and to know each other, and know that I'm behind all those stuff. It's a real person, and that's me. And I'm gonna be your guide and even a teacher to your journey. I hope you're the best, and I will see you soon. Ciao. I love you, everybody.